Hey, Paul the owner, just real quick, when we install TV mounts, we're going to typically try to put these in. These are beautiful. So that way when your TV goes up, you can just plug in directly into there. They also have the push guards. Now, how do we get power from there? So it's just a cross connection inside the wall. So it's going to go inside the wall. And then you just have a cord that goes straight to live power. Real quick question. What do you do when you just have another drywall caddy already ready to rock and roll? There's no studs in here and stuff like that. But unfortunately, the coax, the building stapled it. So there's two staples. I got one staple up top. But just because you have an existing caddy, a lot of times people will be like, oh yeah, it's gonna take 1 or 2 hours. Nah, I'm the owner right now. And if you find there was a second coax cable buried in there when I was putting my hands around, just tape it around to the old one. We're just gonna put this back in there because we don't have access to it. But trick is always secure the other stuff. You can use them as pull strings anywhere. Again, when you do anything, get the power attachments, and you can put like 4K down there. And then also you can use rods, or you can just drop a piece of string and a washer down. Bada boom, bada bing. So use the power attachments and full swings. Oh, I love them. Have a great day.